Hello guys, review smartphone Huawei Nova 9. This version for 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Look completion. In completion we have super quick charge adapter, okay, cable, Type-C, and this all completion. Okay. Now talk about device made of glass and plastic. On the back side quad camera, on the front side display 6.5 inch, on this side power cable on case, on this side without controls. Downside Type-C port, speaker, slot for 2 nano SIM card and microphone. Okay. We have OLED display, Full HD Plus resolution 120 Hz. Okay. Device without Google services. We can turn on YouTube apps. We don't have Google Play, but Google Maps work on this device and Gmail work on this device. We can install Instagram, Facebook. We can install PubMobile, Spotify, Apple Music, Telegram, Diablo Immortal with these apps. Pedal search. We can search interesting apps. Facebook apps, download this app, and we can use Facebook without problems on this device. But YouTube and another Google services, Google Play, YouTube doesn't work on this device. Okay. Look results, test results, Geekbench 5, single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results, very good results. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 and GPU Adreno 632L. Okay, close this, and perfect results in Antutu benchmark, almost 500,000 points. PubMobile works on the max graphic level. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.